To deposit money into your bank account from Robinhood, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed on your device and that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select the Transfers option. Next, choose the Transfer to your bank option. You will then be prompted to select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. If you have not already linked your bank account to Robinhood, you will need to do so by selecting Add New Account and following the prompts to enter your bank account information. After you have selected the bank account, enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure to review the transfer details carefully before confirming the transaction. It is also important to note that transfer times may vary depending on the type of transfer you choose. Instant transfers are available for a small fee, while standard transfers are free but may take up to 3 business days to complete. In addition to transferring funds to your bank account, you can also set up direct deposit to have your paycheck or other regular deposits sent directly to your Robinhood account. To do this, navigate to the account settings and select the direct deposit option. From there, you will be able to access your account and routing numbers, which you can provide to your employer or other payers to set up direct deposit. Overall, depositing money into your bank account from Robinhood is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these instructions and taking the time to review the transfer details carefully, you can ensure a smooth and successful transfer.